We are doing ginanggang. Ginanggang.
What
Basta
is
saging na niluluto.
making the sticks?
Yes.
Looks good. Yes.
Yes, ka-dreamers, we are preparing our merienda. Sinugbang saging. It's called ginanggang in
Bisaya.
Bisaya. Grilled banana. Ka-dreamers.
One. Charcoal. Lagay na natin to. More ingredients, the dreamers. One and
The star margarine.
star margarine. It's a margarine.
Ang walang kupas na star margarine.
Bacon naman. Ano sabi mo, Mami? Ulitin mo nga.
Ang sarap-sarap. Ang sarap-sarap ng ginanggang.
Di pa.
Dreamers, I miss this ginanggang.
It's not yet cooked.
Lami kayo. Mamo,
Kulas!
kulas.
Kain tayo. I dare you. Kulas, I dare you to come and eat our
Ginanggang.
homemade ginanggang.
We are doing ginanggang. Ginanggang.
What
Basta
is?
saging na niluluto.
We are now grilling. When it's a little bit cooked, we're putting the margarine.
Di ba siya mag-burn?
Ay, ano nagpo-burn na? Burn na. This one is...
Guys, the dreamers,
It's really cool, pero masyadong mainit. It's really cool. It's really cool, pero masyadong mainit.
Can't you see, kulas? I'm grilling ginanggang. I dare you to do this grilling ginanggang.
it's much. While still hot, put margarine and then roll it on the plate of sugar. Yun. Oh, sarap. How about MJ? Masarap ba or masarap or delicious?
Delicious yung ginanggang.
Masarap or delicious?
Delicious.
So,
Sabihin mo, dahil lami.
delicious or good?
dreamers, this is the ginanggang. It's well known in
Visayas.
Visayas.
Bisaya eat this much. Give me some. Oh.
So that's it for this vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching our episode of Ginanggang. Ginanggal. Basta saging na niluluto. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys like this. And if you do, please like, share, subscribe, and hit those notification bell for more updates and for more upcoming videos. Bye!